Good day, folks. So, Abby and I are out for another little adventure today. We're heading up to this little lake that we're gonna spend the night and go camping. I decided that I just want to be passenger and just kind of hang out, let Abby drive. So, should be fun. Hopefully she doesn't get stuck. We also have Stilton. Look at that guy. Here he is. So yeah, Stilton decided to come with us. He kept begging, kept asking, and I finally said yes. It is a little wet out today. It's been raining for a little bit, but that's good. How you doing back there, Stilton? I'm doing pretty good. Alright, well if you look through the trees, you can see there's the lake. We are on the wrong side of it right now, so we're gonna go all the way around the lake. I am really excited because I want to make a campfire and make some food. Okay, so we're still not on the other side of the lake, but there's a nice opening. Come on! We got a little beaver beside us.
Get him cocking his tail back.
That's what I wanted.
Do that, please. I just missed it.
I got him. I think that he's trying to get us away from maybe his little babies. Or her little babies. I'm not sure. Beautiful. All right, time to leave him alone. Well, that was pretty cool. I love beavers. They're pretty cool. First time you saw one? First time you've ever seen one?
Yes.
Well, that's cool. Okay, so we have found a little campsite. Oh, hey, this is cool. This is pretty cool. So we're gonna just pull in here and check it out. See what it looks like. This might be our spot. We might just camp here.
Oh, wait, this is cute.
Okay, well, we stopped at this campsite and we really like it. I really like it.
I really like it.
Unfortunately, I did not have the camera going, and Stilton really loves it. He jumped right into the water. But just to make sure, we're gonna go to the other side of the lake and we are going to check out. Just keep going.
You know what? It's fine.
Just keep going.
Okay.
We're gonna go to the other side of the lake and just check out, just to make sure we're not missing out, right? What's that phobia called?
FOMO.
FOMO?
Fear of missing out.
Fear of missing out. We don't want to do that. All right, let's go. We came in. It's really nice campsite.
Yeah.
But the problem is there is actually quite a few people here today. And where we were, there was nobody around.
Yeah.
So we're definitely going back. Love this little place. Love the campsites here. But we kind of just want to not be around people. All right. Well, we're back at the campsite that we were at a few minutes ago. Well, it was actually about an hour ago. But for you guys, it's probably like 30 seconds. So right now we're just gonna start unloading and let's set up camp. Okay, not gonna lie, this is one of my favorite parts of camping. Got the stove going, heating up. I'm gonna throw on some chicken patties, chicken burgers, and we're going to There's Abby. She's Mr. Photographer. She's taking pictures of everything.
Steal it.
Make sure when you, after you watch this video, go check out her channel. She is new at photography and she is going to do some really cool stuff. And go support her. Make sure you go give her a follow, a like, all that stuff. So I'll put her channel in the description, but it's ViewCentury. ViewCentury09. I know I can't speak. I'm so hungry that I just can't speak. So let's get at it. All right. Well, dinner with a view. Look at that beautiful view out here. It's got a little bit of raining. We're having little chicken burgers, and right now we got some wedges that we cooked up last night. And
I did.
Okay, well, Abby cooked them up last night, and we're just reheating them today, and we're gonna have them. Good morning. Well, last night we didn't film too much because it started pouring, and we got the tarp up and just everything put away really quick, and yeah, it was just way too wet to film anything. So we're here today, and it looks beautiful out there. There's still a bit of clouds. It sprinkled a couple of times this morning, but that's okay. I am making coffee and starting to make some breakfast. So here we go. You know what one of the best smells there are when you are camping? The smell of bacon cooking. You excited for breakfast? Yeah, she's a little sleepy. Stilton's patiently waiting. I don't know if he's gonna get our breakfast. All right, so we are back in the Jeep and we're gonna venture off. We are gonna go to a little spot by the ocean, check it out and see. By the time we get there, it might be lunchtime, so come along. So I just want you to take a second, take a look at the scenery, because this is what we've been driving through for about 40 minutes. So no extreme trails today or anything, but there is some beautiful, beautiful scenery.
How you doing, Stilton?
Well, we stopped at this little site here. It's a nice little campsite. And yeah, it's really cool. Tell me in the comments if you are getting sick of seeing all the scenery. Also, if you follow me and you also like to go out far by and check out new trails and explore, tell me if you do this. You're driving down the road and you see a trail and you say,
What's that way?
oh, look at this.
Oh, wow, that's so cute.
This is cute. This is cool. All right, we're gonna stop here for a minute.
Oh, there's a little creek.
Okay, this is what we found. Oh, Stilton likes it. Yeah, he's in there. Oh, look at this. Wow, it's insane here. He definitely likes to swim. Don't shake by me.
What?
Good boy. Go shake by Abby.
No, no. Where's the stick?
Oh no, I lost it. Okay, that was a cool little spot. They're just kind of off the path that we're already taking, and just saw it, and we were like, let's go look. The place that we're going is super cool, absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
And but sometimes it gets filled right up. So if it's all filled up and we want to go camping still in this area, this would be a great spot to detour to. So has anyone ever seen this stuff? It's called broom. There is so much of it on Vancouver Island. It is actually an invasive plant. Somebody brought it over from Scotland. It's called Scottish broom. And I mean, I think they were trying to, just bring a piece of Scotland with them, which I understand. But what happened is it grew like wildfire on the island, and now it's spreading into the rest of BC too. So if you see it, cut it down. There is a little riddle: when in bloom, cut the broom, I think is what it is. So only cut it when it's in bloom, because what happens is it kills the plant. But the thing is, the seeds can last for years. I think they can sit dormant for 50 years or something like that. Don't quote me on it. I'll check. But I think that's what it is. So there was 2 here. 2 plants, and I haven't really seen them, but I decided I would just stop and cut them. You can see how narrow this road is. It's so nice. Keeps people out. This wonderful campsite.
Don't know if we got any of that, but okay.
Well, we made it to this little spot. Can't complain about this place. Stilton's doing the checkout, making sure everything's good. All right, so we got a little fire going, and we are going to cook some smokies for lunch.
Yay!
It should be fun. Stilton is just gonna chase wood. He could do that all day long.
All day.
All day. Bring it here. Okay, I guess that's close enough. All day. So that's it for this one. I will see you on the next one.